Good morning, December 13, 2024. Very nice sunrise. It rained yesterday, almost that day, almost all the day yesterday. Walking my daily routine. Oh, clear road, no dogs. Nilamig siguro sila. And little only birds chirping. That's the traffic light. Yellow means caution. Be ready or be ready. Be ready. Pause because it will change like red or green. I don't know. Just wait and see. Ah, here's the dogs. They have a session again. They really go in bunch early in the morning. Twenty 2020. Muna. Aw, pukya. Lamig pa, no? Hindi ka ano. Ako rin. 20. It is still yellow on this top on the side. Yellow? All yellow. Means stop all. 3 of them are yellow. How come? What's on the other side? It's yellow, there, yellow. Tagal naman. Dilaw. Oh, yellow pa din. Bakit ganon? Okra. Oh, yellow pa rin. Grabe. Hindi nagbalhin ang change. Hindi rin nag-change light. Meron na siyang langkaka. Mabuti hindi yan ninanakaw. Oh, active na ang dogs. Dogs active already. Anong meron dyan, mga dogs? What's inside? Why are you barking at me? Dami-dami na nila, oh. Oh, mga dogs. Dami-dami na nila. Ang ingay-ingay pa. Hindi na ada ng dadakop. Ha? Hindi ko nakikita. Oo, waray na. Hatula, wala siguro silang pupuntahan, wala silang kulungan. Papakainin pa nila. Hindi magandang ano. Uy, Karabaw. Saan naman yan pupunta nung papakainin? Isang linggo pa siya bago papakainin pa niya yan. Oh, dogs, dogs, dogs. Doc Aaron, Mayor Aaron. Oh, dito na. Ay! Bakit ninyo ako inaaway? Ay, naku. Nervyos ako.